Hi guys, welcome back to Mia Makes. In this episode, I'm going to be cleaning my desk because I've not done it in a while and it looks really bad. Do whatever you want to do. Yeah. Perfect. I'm gonna put that right there. Oh my lord. Boink.
The road. What?
These bags are too big.
Oh,
Look how big they are.
they probably
Look,
go.
they're so big. Here, I'll do that.
my bread baby.
Okay, there we go.
There.
Look at that.
Perfect.
Oh my word. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. Yeah. Oh.
It's getting there, it's getting there. Someone very dear to me got these pencil crayons for a late birthday present for me, and I love them and I'm super thankful for them. Oh my word. I love them so much. They're so cool. Just gonna stick that in there. Oh wait, it doesn't work that way. There we go. Oh my lord. Just folding this because it looks bad. And then boink. There's a cat. Thank you guys so much for watching this real-time, no muted clips video. I hope it was fun and I really enjoyed cleaning, and now I'm gonna color in peace. Thank you, bye-bye.